Hey guys, so I'm not 100% sure what I want to do today. One thing is I'm going to mark the trees for Migo to cut down. That's one of them. But I'm going to mark those. I think I'm doing pretty good on this job. Might take down some more walls, I don't know. Might try to take down that part of the roof. But see, I got lots of, I want to see if I got 12 of these about this size. And then I'm gonna need a couple of those size. Anyway, that's another one you have to take down. That one there, that's 3. Probably the one beside it before. 5, 6, 7. I don't know, that old tree, I think it looks pretty solid. Hang on. That one's got to come down. But see, that one's already pretty much down. So, and that one. Those ones are still pretty green, so they probably be all right. You look at the tops and make sure they're healthy. See, that one's really healthy. It's big though. Holy shit. If that ever fell on my house, it'd be the end of my house. So yeah, this is the end of where my spot is. So from there to the road, that's pretty nice size, eh? I don't think any bigger than that. Well, yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll nail some sticks to the trees that have to come down. And then we'll go from there. Well, yeah, I think I'm going to have a slow day today. And just enjoy the nature. Oh, my pile of wood over there, what I'm going to be chipping. I won't be chipping that for a little while because a family of rabbits moved under there. There's a mama and some little ones. I'll see if I can catch them. I want to get those bars off the window. I want to save those. But yeah, mainly I just want to hang out today. I've had a rough week and I think I'll try to get off some of these boards and basically hump the dog today. Look at my pile of shit. But yeah, right in here, I saw them. They all scooted across and they all went under there. And they've been going back and forth under there for a couple of 3 days now, so I think they might be nesting under there. Oh yeah, they're all under there. I don't see her out this morning. Anyway, Sano's coming out. Migo is coming out. And I'm going to talk about things that even to cut down and stuff. He was going to come and do some cutting today, but other things came up, so. But he is going to come out and have a look at what I want done, so. Then when he's got the time, he'll get it done for me, so that's good. There's really no rush. I got lots to do. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.